Hi there, my name's John Erickson. When I do have free time these days, I spend it with a friend of mine named Rudy. He just turned 82. He lives in Long Beach and he has the coolest, oldest craftsman style bungalow built in 1913. And we're working together on helping to restore it. One of the most recent projects we did was taking the back door and bringing it apart, refurbishing the wood, readjusting the base so it could actually seal the bottom so air wouldn't come in, and then reattaching some of the screws. We also added some screens just recently to the windows, which required taking off the steel bars on the outside, and we're redoing the back porch as well. We're putting a new top on the base, strengthening the railing on the side, and then we're adding above it a device that's going to push the water as it comes down to either side so rain doesn't come down and actually destroy the wood any faster than it would normally. So there you go.